get carved up. How's it going, you guys? On this episode of Jeremy Does Things, we're at the lake, you guys. It is holiday season. I got Buckwheat Jr. here with me. We're doing steak at the lake and obviously prawns, right? Mm-hmm. So I brought one of my favorite little things with me. I got this on Amazon. This is a little fire pit. You can bring this anywhere. It just fits in your pocket. It's mainly for forest fire season, but we're just doing it like this right now. Put them right here. Okay, so in the back of this flint rod right here, let's screw that off and see what we got here. That's just lint out of the dryer. To dig it out, here it comes. Another little lint ball. So these little lint balls are great. They just come out of the dryer and all it takes is a spark and she's going. And look, it's half hair, half my wife's hair. And there, look at that nice little bit there, buddy. This is gonna be good.
Can I spark up right now?
Yeah, gotta get your little stuff ready so that once you get that going, take your time, get it in there. You know what you gotta do, dude. Yeah, you know what you gotta do. Yeah, and then now hit it with a good spark. Oh. Yeah, hit that spark. Oh!
You try it now.
There we go, we got a flame going. Look at that, nice little flame. There we go, she's catching. I'm carving you up a little pick here, buddy, so you can have one of these nice little mussels. I'm gonna try one of these mussels. Really? Cove loves them.
Dad.
Is it good?
Yeah, try it.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, we got the little cast iron, some oil, and look at this. The fire's starting to die down, which is nice. We're gonna wait till it gets down to some coals here. Till it's just perfect for cooking on. Well, Cove says it's pomegranate time. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not bad.
Beautiful spot for a
Yeah,
fire.
just cooking up with my boy.
Oh, it's awesome, man. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Just pick away at it. There you go.
Play juicy.
You know that you're the best thing in the world, right?
Can I have my treat?
Yes, it's time for your treat. Here we go. You ready, buddy? Snickers!
Hold this.
Okay.
Snickers!
My steak, I don't like to just have it blue, right? So I like cooking my steak for a long time. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of get going on it. Because I know that this fire dies down quite fast. Started off in the corner there. Nice one, buddy. Good job, buddy.
Now I'm going to the other side. I love that sound.
The best sound ever, hey? There we go. Got a bunch of coals. What we do is we put the coals all up around the pan like this. And that's how to cook. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking, hey bud? If you got kids, get out there and do some stuff like this with them. They really remember this kind of stuff for the rest of their lives. All the things Deb and Dad did with me, my mom, my family, you know, I remember those. That's what instilled who I am. So make sure to get your kids out when they're young. If they come up in the outdoors having fun, on the boat, fishing, down at the lake, eating good food, those are the things they're gonna grow into and adapt for the future. Hey buddy, what are you gonna be when you grow old? What do you think you'll be doing when you're older?
Construction.
Construction? Really?
You can drive a truck.
Driving trucks?
You can drive a loader.
Driving a loader? Cool. So nice, eh? Are your hands getting warmer? Let's go a little more. Oh yeah. Woo, that's hot. And look at this. This is amazing, hey bud. Got the new buck knife here, you guys. Loving it. Cove's popping in a grape. Bite it in half, bud. There you go. No choking out here. You guys, I like my steak well done. And I think we're there. Pop that nice little biscuit off right there. Let's throw the prawns in now. Okay, now that nice little piece of meat's just gonna cool off. Oh yeah, buddy, we're cooking. Okay, I know I'm not cooking up some fresh prawns here. Got these from the store on the way out here, but that's okay. That is totally fine. In they go. Oh, those are still gonna be just so good. Yeah, Cove's out here filming. This is his new camera that he got for Christmas.
Even a tripod for it.
Yeah, nice tripod. All right, screws right into the bottom there, buckwheat. Okay, you're live, buddy. And then, oh, now you're all pressing up. You know what you're doing. Look at that. Now that they're cooking up, you see, bud, they're starting to turn orange. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah, dude. Those are gonna be good. Oh, right on the coals, just how we like them. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoa, don't be stepping over the steak like that, buddy. That's criminal. Okay, here we go, buddy. You want to try a piece?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's just done perfectly. Okay.
Definitely on that one.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Stick it out to the camera here. Oh, buddy, that's a nice piece. Not too hot?
You try a piece.
I gotta try a piece now.
Look at that.
Okay, let's try this. Oh, buddy. Hey. That is so good.
Told you.
There you go.
No, damn, it's so good. Wait, no, yeah.
Are you serious?
Damn, it's so good because...
I don't know where he gets the language from. Yeah, these prawns are looking just mighty fine. Look at those. Flip them over. Oh yeah. There we go. See that? Now we instantly were boiling again. Buddy, I think these prawns are done. Should we flop them out?
Can I try to do that?
Yeah. Right off the knife, you gotta be really gentle on that maneuver. Just like a cat. Nice work, buddy. Probably roasting me in the comments. Whatever. I think they're ready to go now. Check out my plan. We're gonna go like this. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You excited?
Can I blow that out?
We're just gonna go like this, buddy. We're gonna flop our prawns out. Oh, look at those. Look at those.
Dad, look at I blowed the...
I see, buddy. Good work.
Oh. A lot of oil.
It's more just like greasy water. No, this is hot, buddy. Wow, look at those, bud. Look at the color on them. So remember, these have the shells on them. You gotta shell them, okay?
Shells?
Yeah, you see, watch.
I told you to have shells.
Yeah, you said you wanted the ones with the shells. Check that out. See how easy that is? They just pop right out. Okay, and then you just get this really nice prawn here. You want that one? There you go.
Not really bad. Those are really good.
Okay, here we go.
That's survival right there.
Bring it in. Tell us more. What are you eating on?
Prawn.
Oh, it's a nice looking prawn. get into another one.
Hey, you have real great arms.
I do. Thanks, buddy.
You even...
Well, this has been way too much fun. Hey, buddy. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's what it's all about. Jeremy does things. And who else?
Cove.
So what just happened? I got to just say it quick before the battery runs out. We're just wrapping up here. We had a bunch of prawns we were going to bring back to Mom and steak. And two guys walk down behind us and we offer, hey man, you want a nice freshly cooked prawn? Like, you know, how cool would that be? We walk out of the bush, give them 2 prawns. We got the rest we're bringing home for Mom. And we look over and his dog's off leash. Over here just ate it all, licked it all up. So we come back, nothing to bring home to Mom.
Yeah. Even, so 2 boys out there behind us. Oh, do you want us 2 prawns? Yeah. So.
Hooked them up.
And the dog came to eat our prawns and steak.
Today on Jeremy's Review. Hey guys, big shout out to Vatrer Power for sending us this awesome battery. It's gonna go in our boat.
Yes.
We're really excited about it.
Shout out to Vatrer Power for sending this awesome battery and for our boat.
This battery here, we're gonna install it in the boat. It's awesome.
Yeah.
We needed a new battery and Vatrer came through with a nice brand new one. Let's unbox it, let's take a look at it.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, when it gets bright out there, we're gonna go out and install it in the boat.
We're going to lift this out and put it into the boat. Now we're not going to break down on the water. Thanks, Vatrer Power. Good job, Vatrer Power. This is awesome, Vatrer Power. And there's stickers.
Whoa, nice pack of stickers there, buddy. Vatrer Power sticker is gonna be all over Cove's bedroom. Okay. There we go.
I must move it out of the way.
We got the 460 amp hour 12.8 volt LiFePO, and it's got the app connection. I'm out of breath from unboxing it, folks. Okay, we're out at the boat now. We got the boat untarped and we're gonna go install this battery right now. These batteries from Vatrer Power are super high quality. They're top notch. They're gonna be good for all your applications. Honestly, you've outdone yourself again with another massive battery. This one here is 460 amp hours, 12.8 volts. It's got the app connection, and that's super simple, you guys. You just bring out your phone, click on your old Vatrer app. Okay, we're gonna check the life of my other battery. Boom. So last year, Vatrer Power sent me a 320, I believe, and it went in my trailer. Awesome. We went off grid, lasted over 3 days. We came home, we took the battery out, we got it stored right now, and I can pull up my app at any time and see it's still sitting at 50% in storage. So now all I need to do is install this battery in the boat, and then I'm gonna hook it up, and I'll be able to check both batteries just on my little app here. Right now I'm currently running 2 12-volt batteries, one for the stereo and the other for all the systems. What I'm gonna do is knock those out, consolidate, put one big battery in the boat, it's gonna go red and black wire straight out of my switch box into this battery, and you guys, it's just gonna be awesome. And then we're gonna take her out for a rip. So get your googly eyes on and have a look at the description box down below. There'll be a link to the website and you guys can see like all the products that they offer. Let's get in there. Here we go. Okay, the battery's installed. We're gonna go ahead and let's fire it up and see how she runs.